Do you have a dream of studying abroad? Do you have a dream of doing your graduate school, your bachelor's, or your PhD in a foreign country? Have you ever considered traveling to China? If that is the case, this video is for you. My name is Josiah. Uh, let's get into the video. For those who want to study in China and you want to go for graduate school in China, you want to apply for CSC Scholarship, but you don't know how to navigate through the process, this is definitely your video. Now we are going to look into the process of applying for this scholarship. First, we shall list out all the documents that somebody needs to apply for this type of scholarship. We shall also list the specific requirements for specific university. Say a certain university has these requirements to apply for. Let's look at those mandatory CSC application documents. First, you need to fill the CSC online application form. That CSC online application form, you can download it from the CSC website, or you can just fill that form online. You need a valid passport. A valid passport, for this I mean that at least your passport should have 1.5 years when applying. Highest degree certificates. That is the third one. Check in your country where you can notarize your document, notarize them, and provide a notarized copy to the university. Academic transcripts, notarized copies for all your degrees, either in English or in Chinese. We also need to look at the study plan or a research proposal. Usually 800 words to 1000 words for masters and PhD, around 300 to 500 for undergraduates. Recommendation letters. These ones you can get them from either a professor or an associate professor with their contact, and make sure those documents have stamps. Physical examination form for foreigners. This must be completed. Actually, I've put the link to download the form in the description. You can download that form. This form must be completed by a doctor, signed and stamped by the hospital. Next, we look at non-criminal record certificate issued by the police or court in your home country. This must be valid within a period of 6 months. Among the mandatory documents is the language proficiency proof. English taught programs, English proficiency letters from your university, maybe. For Chinese taught programs, HSK certificate. Usually for bachelor's it is HSK 4, for master's it is HSK 5, or PhD. I hope this helps. Besides the mandatory CSC application documents, there are documents that are university specific, or what you can call additional requirements. Some universities may ask for acceptance letters from a Chinese professor. Other universities might ask for published papers or academic achievements. Other universities have separate application form, separate from the CSC online application form. After the documents, these are the practical tips that I can give you. Make at least 3 to 4 copies of all notarized documents. 2, scan all your documents clearly in PDF before uploading. Keep both soft and hard copies. You may need to send physical copies if shortlisted. 4, ensure translations of all your documents into English or Chinese by an official translator, if originally in another language. What do I mean by this? You might be coming from a French-speaking country. You're coming to China, you're going to study in English, but your documents are in French. Please get an official translator to translate your documents